In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add card in Monarch Money. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your credit card shows up in Monarch and your spending can be tracked in one place. Start by opening your browser and going to the Monarch Money app at app.monarch.com. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is the home base where you can quickly jump into different parts of your finances. If you're not signed in, just continue to the app and you'll be taken to your account once you're authenticated. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand side and click on Accounts. This section is where all of your financial institutions and cards live inside Monarch. It's the best place to add, organize, and review everything, so starting here keeps things simple and consistent. On the Accounts page, find and click Add Account. This is the dedicated button for bringing new connections into Monarch. It begins a short guided flow that helps you link your credit card securely, so you don't have to hunt around for the right settings. When the add flow opens, choose banks and credit cards. Selecting this option tells Monarch you want to link an institution that can sync balances and transactions automatically. It's the right path for most major card issuers and helps ensure your card activity appears in Monarch without manual updates. Next, pick your bank or card issuer from the list. You'll usually see popular options right up front. If your card is issued by a large bank, select that bank. Choosing the correct institution is important because each issuer has its own connection. If you have multiple cards with the same bank, you'll be able to include any of them during this connection process. If you don't immediately see your bank, use the search field to find it. Type the full name or a common abbreviation and try slight variations if needed. For example, some issuers appear under their full corporate name rather than a brand nickname. A quick search here saves time and ensures you connect to the right place. If your card isn't supported or you prefer not to connect it, you can add a manual account instead. This creates a credit card entry that you can manage yourself. It's handy for smaller institutions or special purpose cards, and it keeps your totals and budgets accurate, even without an automatic data feed. Once you've finished, your card will appear in the accounts list and transactions will start flowing in if you connected it. That's it. Your card is now part of your Monarch Money setup.